Hello there, welcome back to a weather update today. As right now we have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings right now, and in fact we have a marginal risk tonight, especially across when you get to Ohio, stretching from all the way from Illinois, Wisconsin, all the way to Buffalo, New York. And as well, we have an enhanced risk severe weather tomorrow. So, yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. We could be seeing some widespread wind damage, especially when you get across from around Albany, New York, stretching all the way to Boston and to the coast too, and going to be affecting portions of southern Vermont in New Hampshire, Connecticut, maybe a small area of Connecticut. And then Massachusetts, and also New York too. So anyways, we're gonna get into the live watches and warnings right now. This is probably producing some pretty large hail right now. We're seeing definitely a pretty well-defined hail core. 1-inch hail and 60 miles per hour winds are possible. Heading to page. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Interesting to say the least. And heading to Georgia, we have a couple severe thunderstorm warnings active. Along pretty interesting, pretty broken line right now. You're seeing the outflow boundary located right here. This is probably gonna go non-severe soon. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. And to north of Columbus and heading to Ohio. Looking at a cell directly over Cincinnati right now, probably producing some large hail, maybe some damaging winds too. We also have a pretty well-defined outflow boundary located right here, pretty long, and into this warning, it's pretty, again, a couple disorganized cells really, and this is for 60 miles per hour winds and penny-sized hail. And over to Indiana, again South Bend under severe thunderstorm warning for 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. And over to near Syracuse now, and we have a well-defined outflow boundary. Maybe bring some gusty winds with that. And we have a severe thunderstorm warning for 60 miles per hour winds and penny-sized hail. And to near Albany now, we're going to be seeing some, again, another well-defined outflow boundary, probably producing some gusty winds. 60 miles per hour winds and quarter-sized hail. This one's expiring within the minute. By the time this video uploads, it would have been expired already. 60 miles per hour winds. Heading over to Rhode Island, Connecticut, and near Providence. South of Worcester too. We also have 60 miles per hour winds. Train spotter actually spotted some trees down relative the pretty pronounced outflow boundary there. And this cell near Hartford, 60 miles per hour winds and quarter-sized hail. So I'll draw an outline for, it's going to be more like probably around here, goes to the coast, and then from here all the way down. So, tomorrow, when you get to New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine, you have 2% tornado. That's going to be, we're going to see the best in tornadic environment. And then 30% wind, where I highlighted, which is going to have the most enhanced setup for some winds. And then in the same area for tornadoes, we have 5% hail too. We could be seeing a couple supercells as well when you develop across New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine. We'll continue to monitor the tornado threat, but wind is certainly going to be the biggest threat, and we'll continue to monitor everything. And really apart from that, really though, that's really it. Because a couple things to talk about. We might be releasing another web update tomorrow morning about the ongoing situations, and I'll probably start uploading them at arbitrary times. We also have isolated dry thunderstorms across Nevada, California, Utah, Idaho, Washington, and Oregon tomorrow. But tonight we have across Utah, Nevada, California, we have an isolated dry thunderstorm threat, an elevated fire threat across Idaho, Oregon. We're experiencing that scorching heat in the Northwest. Tens of people have died, sadly, and certainly not a good situation right now. And apart from that, that's really it. And goodbye.